All right, by this time, I've probably done a half a dozen of these things, and you all either really like them or really hate them or are bored with them. I've got a 2001 Kirby G6 with the stiff oblique brush roll. So Miko, this is dedicated to you because you got your brush roll coming at the time that I'm making this video. So I'm going to put it on, I did a little pre-test. I'm going to put it on position, let's see, I think 2. I'm not going to put it on 1 all the way down. I'm going to put it on 2. When I put it on 1, the stiff brush roll really made a racket on this concrete floor. So let's try it on 2 and see what happens. If it doesn't work that well, then maybe I'll try it on 1. But I didn't like what I heard when I tried it on 1 earlier. So this is position 2. Yeah, that's as perfect as it gets, I think. Oh, nope, wait a minute. Missed a tiny bit. Right there. Okay, so close to perfect. And that was on 2. I guess you could go down to 1, but the bristles kind of contact the concrete a bit, and I'm not so sure I'm really into doing that. So that was still really fantastic results. And, of course, the G-Series machines are very similar on the edges to like my Heritage 2 Legend. So you got a notch here, and you've got a notch here, just in case you haven't seen this before. So, really nice. All right, so it's getting late. I've done a bunch of these tests all right in a row, so you guys will have to tell me what you think about these. All right, thanks for watching, and happy edge cleaning.